How to set up vacation responder in Gmail on your Mac. So firstly, open your Gmail account, and once you are here, click on this little icon, which is settings, and at the top click see all settings. Now make sure you are in general area and scroll down to the bottom, and you will find here something about vacation responder, and now it's turned off. I'm gonna turn it on and set here your first day of vacation, so it's automatically set to this date. You can set custom date, and also you can set the last date of your vacation. If you don't set your last day of your vacation, you have to turn it off manually. So after you enter here your first vacation day, type here your subject, for example vacation, and also enter here the message which will be automatically sent if someone emailed you, so that person will know that you are on vacation. And you can text here, for example, that you will reply after your vacation. Also, you can choose here only send a response to people in my contacts, and then make sure to save changes. So if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing, and see you next time.